Hello and welcome to this YouTube lesson on how to start a side hustle with no capital. In today's challenging economy, it's important to have multiple streams of income to support yourself and achieve your financial goals. Luckily, there are several side hustles that you can start without any capital, and I'll be sharing some of them with you in this video. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without ever handling or owning the inventory. You simply set up an online store, add products to it from websites like AliExpress, and then ship them to customers when they place orders. It's a great way to start an e-commerce business without any upfront investment. 2. Selling of knowledge. If you have a particular skill or knowledge that's in demand, you can monetize it by creating online courses, tutorials, ebooks, or webinars. These can be sold on websites like Udemy or Skillshare and can give you a steady stream of passive income. 3. Graphic design. If you're skilled in graphic design, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need designs for their social media or website. You can use free tools like Canva to create designs and market your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 4. Part-time jobs. Part-time jobs are a great way to earn additional income, especially if you're a student with a flexible schedule. You can look for part-time jobs on websites like Indeed or Glassdoor and work for a few hours a day or on the weekends. 5. MoneyPoint card sales. You can also consider selling MoneyPoint cards to people who need to perform transactions but don't have a bank account. The only thing you need is a smartphone and access to the internet to sell these cards, which can be done at your convenience. 6. Delivery agent. If you have a bike, scooter, or car, you can offer delivery services to restaurants, supermarkets, or individuals who need items delivered to them. Several businesses are in need of delivery agents, and you're sure to find clients who need your services. 7. Crypto trading. If you have a good understanding of how cryptocurrency works, you can start trading cryptocurrencies on platforms like Binance or Kraken. While there are risks involved, if you're able to master the art of trading, the rewards could be lucrative. 8. Online tutoring. If you're skilled in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to individuals who need help with schoolwork. You can advertise your services on social media or tutor marketplaces like Chegg or TutorMe. 9. Selling groceries in the hostel. Finally, selling groceries in the hostel could be a profitable business idea. You can buy goods in bulk, sell them to other hostel occupants. This is for those who lives in hostel. Conclusion. In this lesson, I've shared some side hustle ideas that you can start without any capital. It's important to note that while these opportunities require no upfront investment, they'll require hard work, dedication, and consistency to turn a profit. I wish you all the best as you embark on your side hustle journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments and questions in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.